Hello. Today is my birthday. Today is not my birthday. The day I upload this will be my birthday, ideally. I am now 27 years old. I was not expecting to celebrate my birthday in quarantine, but here we are celebrating my birthday in quarantine. Yay! I think I'm good. I think I'm ready to be a 27-year-old. I already feel like a 30-year-old because Wes is 30 and all of his friends are 30 and a good portion of my friends are 30. So I just feel like I too am a 30-year-old already. But I'm not. I'm 27. I'm still in my 20s and I want to relish in that. I want to celebrate that. Me 10 years ago would be floored by the kind of person I am now. Living in an apartment, being self-sufficient, being married, having a full-time job, enjoying hobbies, creating things. Ooh, 17-year-old me could never. So I thought, what better way to celebrate my 27th birthday than fulfilling the dreams of my 17-year-old self. Once you turn 18, you're like an adult. 17 was my last year to just be a teenager. When I was 17, all I wanted was to be hot. All I wanted was people to look at me and think about me because I'm a middle child and a Leo. I wanted to wear revealing clothing. I wanted to dance to my favorite song in public. I wanted people to look at me. So what are we doing this year? Fulfilling those dreams. We are going to learn a K-pop choreography. Welcome to several days later. In the time between now and when we last spoke, I have not practiced at all. What I have done is dyed part of my hair blonde. Here is a rundown of how that went. This feels like it's way too close to my eyes. Ta-da! It went well. Let's get practicing, I guess. Hi, it's the day before my birthday and I don't have the choreography learned. But you know what? That's fine. That's fine. We're just gonna not force myself to do that. I was thinking about it and I've just been agonizing about it like a week ago. Oh, I only have a week left to learn the thing and make the video. And then like 3 days ago, oh, I only have 3 days to learn the dance and make the video. And then yesterday I was just like, am I gonna torture myself and force myself to learn this thing which is not fun anymore just so that I could post something on the internet and maybe gain some viewings, maybe some internet clout? And I thought, no, I'm not gonna do that, you know? I'm not gonna force myself to make content for the sake of having content. If I'm just gonna agonize and torture myself through it all, it's not fun, it's not worth it. And being able to recognize that and being able to let myself not complete this goal and still feel good is probably more than my 17-year-old self could have ever hoped for. I am able to look at my progress as an achievement rather than milestones and goalposts and nothing else as achievements. I'm able to appreciate what effort I do put in, and I'm able to recognize what I gain from that effort alone, rather than thinking that I only gain anything of value if I complete the whole goal, whatever that goal may be. And that's a lot more than teenage me would have been able to do. I don't know, when you're a teenager, like, every single day feels like the last day you have. It reminds me of that John Mulaney thing, like, tonight's the night and we only have tonight. No! When you're a teenager, you have so much time and so few bills to pay and so little responsibility. What am I trying to say? I've lost my train of thought, but basically, I'm just not gonna worry about it. Just kidding, I have to show you at least what I learned because I'm a Leo and a middle child.
Everybody teaching me 이래라 저래라 모두 한마디씩 Oh yeah 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 내 앞가림은 내가 해 I'ma do my thing just do your thing Cause I'm the one that knows it 사람들은 난 말하기를 좋아해 남의 인생에 뭔 관심이 많아 왜 미안하지만 신경 좀 꺼줄래 It's none of your business I do my own business 누가 뭐라 해도 난 나야 난 그냥 내가 되고 싶어 I wanna be me 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 굳이 뭔가 될 필요는 없어 난 그냥 너일 때 완벽하니까 I wanna be me me
Sorry if that's kind of anticlimactic to this video. Thanks for watching. Can I at least do something I like while I'm out here?